So in today's video, I'm going to be going inside of this place, which is called Hardwick Hall. And there's a lot of low light spots, so it's a great opportunity to test out the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 low light mode, which is called pure video mode. So I'm going to be going inside and filming some clips with the pure video mode enabled, and then the other clips with it disabled. So it's going to be activated and then deactivated, and then we're going to be able to see the finer detail when we've got that pure video mode enabled. So let's get inside and film those dark places. Here we go. So I hope you've enjoyed that video today, and you've had a real good insight of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2's low light mode, which is called pure video mode. And from those side-by-side clips with it activated and then deactivated, you're really going to see the differences there. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.